Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a video collage in Capcut. So if you want to combine multiple videos into a stunning collage, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how you can create a video collage in Capcut with simple and easy to follow steps. So what you need to do is import the video first. You can tap on new project and then select multiple videos that you want to edit. So in here I'm going to use some videos from the CapCut library. I'm going to use 4. Okay, just select the videos that you want to edit. After that, you can just tap on collage in here, so that CapCut will automatically set the format as collage. So as you guys can see here, the video will be automatically placed like this as a video collage. But before you enter this editing mode, you'll be asked to choose the layout and also the format. So for me, I choose 9 by 16 with 4 clips format like this. If you want to edit the videos one by one, you can do it by clicking on each video, and here you can add some animation, adjust the video speed, enhance the audio, or maybe add some filter or effects. You can do it one by one each on the video. You can also adjust the video quality or add some filters and everything. And if you want to, you can also add tags. Maybe you want to make it like a vlog, you can add tags. You can also add audio and sing the video to the beat if you want to. And you can also add more videos by clicking on this overlay and tap on add overlay. If your video has voiceover, you can also add some captions, or if you want to maybe change the aspect ratio, you can click on the aspect ratio and choose the format that you want. Or maybe you can add some filter, add sticker, and add backgrounds if you want to. But this all optional. If you already like with the result or satisfied, you can just tap on export and your video will be saved to your gallery. And so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, but if you still have questions, you can always leave a comment down below. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe to our channel for more CapCut tutorials. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!